we're gonna make it to town. So this is what I'm putting on. You can see I got me some sandals here. I got me some jeans pants, red bag. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Your girl is off to town. I am off to town today, you know. You guys say you want to see a vlog in Yaoundé, so I'm just leaving the house right now. So I will take you guys to town. I don't know where I'm heading to. Whatever the day looks like, I'm gonna carry you guys along with me. So I'm just in my house, going out with my friend Vanessa. She's right there, over there. So we're gonna make it to town. So this is what I'm putting on. You can see I got me some sandals here. I got me some jeans pants, red bag. Still have my keys, and I got me some frizz hair today, and this is my top, you know. So that's what I'll be carrying today. Okay guys, so I arrived now in Omispor. So I'm in Omispor right now. Alright guys, so I'm just strolling around. It's a little bit sunny today, not quite much. The normal weather. I'm just taking a stroll, trying to vlog a little bit. So you guys can see how we are in town. So this is the stadium. Here entrance, and it's closed. I can't go right close to there, you guys know, because it's not allowed to film in there while there's nothing going on there. So you can just film from a distance. But I know you guys can figure out how. Okay? It's really a beautiful weather today. Yesterday was sunny, but today it's kind of just normal. Yeah, so you're guys at Camel. I want to get something here in Camel. So when I'm done here, the weather is so hot. The weather of today is terrible. Like I thought it was not sunny, but now I got into town. The weather is horrible, really. But anyway, it's well. This is a supermarket. So guys, we are making our way now into this supermarket right now to get some stuff in here. So I got Dove here. This is my lotion I use, you know guys. Got it right here. Oh my god, but this is not shea butter. This body lotion with shea butter. Okay. I think I'm gonna buy one because I need it for real. And here we got us some Johnson baby, like oh my god guys, this supermarket it's marvelous. So I'm here with the Nivea. I love Nivea. I think no, I didn't get it from there. Okay, we are here now at the face scrub. Let's check the face scrub. Got me some. I need tissue papers. I think I need me some tissue papers for the toilet. So let me see what I'm gonna take right here. So guys, I'm gonna be taking these toilet tissue papers. Yeah, I think I need this whole pack of tissue papers. And
these feelings, I can't let them go. It's harder for me to explain. You would think that I would know how to make the sun shine when it rains. But it's all a mystery. We both have history, mix of the highs and the lows. And that's why I need to be where I can feel free. I'll put a little control. The ins and outs, the ups and downs, sometimes too.
yeah, so guys, I'm leaving the supermarket right now, looking for a taxi to take me home, and I will show you guys what I got. Okay guys, so now I just arrived home and I'm home now. I'll just show you guys the things I got in the flash. So these are all the stuff I got. You can see I just got me some few stuff, and I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. And please, if you do not forget to thumbs up the video and leave a comment on what you think. I hope you guys love the Yaoundé vlogging, and I definitely will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye, and I love you all. Peace out. What's me back to drink you some water. Mind your own business.